The Jekyll and Hydes. Today we got a 2023 Jeep Wrangler wrapped from front to back in what we call Spectrum by Inozetek. Take a look at it, guys. It was originally white, right? As you guys can see, gloss white. Now, what we didn't do is we didn't get rid of all the white. We actually kept some of the original color on the hinges, as you guys can see, to give it that contrast, right? And we wrapped this in Spectrum Inozetek. Take a look at that, guys. Look at that color flip, right? This is what we call a color flip. So as you look at it and you walk around, the color's gonna change on you. From blue to green to purple, right? Can't wait to see this in the sun. Another thing we did, guys, is take a look at this tent. We really went hard on the tent on this one to give it that security and also that protection that you need. If you take a look, it's really dark in the back. We also did the front window. Take a look at the front, which is what we call sunset tent, right? And you gotta be careful on the front because in a lot of states, you gotta be careful with how dark your tent is. But this one matches the color flip because it changes colors as you get close. A real different component to tent. With that being said, the last thing we did on this, guys, is we did the ceramic coat. As you can see, if you get real close, you'll see that shine and that protection on this Spectrum color by Inozetek on this color flip. That being said, this one is wrapped. It's ready to go. Guys, if you want your vehicle upgraded like this one from a basic white to something like this where it's gonna turn heads and get a lot of attention, especially for the summer, bring it on down to Jekyll and Hydes. We can do it for you. See you guys in the next one. William Agnew, I'm out.